Just see the results that our students are getting who joined Shomus Biology coaching for 6 month period of time.
So I'm really thankful for Shomus Biology, and I would suggest everyone to go for it.
A lot of help and support by Suman sir always remembered in my mind.
The study materials I got helped me to understanding the topic very well, and the test series helped me to covering up the syllabus in a perfect time.
This is
And
all
also-
because of the online test series.
In depth knowledge what Shomus Biology gave me, I want to thank Shomu Biology. I want to thank each and every member of Shomus Biology for their effort, whatever they are putting on us.
And I am very much happy to choose Shomu sir for my CSIR NET GRF journey.
Really leveled up my preparation. I was confident on the day of exam.
The classes helped me a lot to understand my subject from very basics to advanced level.
So I really thanks Shomu sir and also ma'am for always guiding me.
I am the person who will help you reach to the pinnacle of your success and your journey for the CSIR NET Life Science examination. If you trust me, if you trust my lectures, then join Shomus Biology online coaching. Registration is going on. The details are there in the description. Fill the form to reach out to us or simply contact the number given in this video.